Vitamin D is one of the most important vitamins for our overall health, but many people are deficient in it. Here are 8 signs that your body may be begging for some vitamin D. You're always tired. If you're always tired, it might be a sign that your body is begging for vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for many processes in the body, including energy production and sleep regulation. If you're not getting enough vitamin D, you may be at risk for fatigue and other health problems. You get sick often. If you're constantly getting sick, it might be a sign that your body is lacking vitamin D. It is essential for maintaining a strong immune system, and without enough of it, you'll be more susceptible to illness. If you find yourself getting sick often, consider taking a vitamin D supplement and spending more time outside in the sun to get your levels up. You have aches and pains. If you're dealing with more aches and pains than usual, it could be a sign that your body is begging for vitamin D. It helps to regulate calcium levels in the body, which is essential for strong bones and muscles. If you're not getting enough vitamin D, you may be at risk for developing osteoporosis or other bone-related conditions. Talk to your doctor about whether you should take a supplement or increase your intake of foods rich in vitamin D, such as fatty fish, eggs, and dairy products. You're depressed or anxious. If you're feeling depressed or anxious, it could be a sign that your body is begging for vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to depression and anxiety, so if you're feeling down, it's worth getting your levels checked. Vitamin D is found in fatty fish, eggs, and milk, so make sure you're including these foods in your diet. You can also get vitamin D from supplements, but always speak to your doctor before taking any supplements. You have trouble sleeping. If you have trouble sleeping, it could be a sign that your body is lacking in vitamin D. Vitamin D helps to regulate the sleep-wake cycle, so if you're not getting enough of it, you may find it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. You have hormone imbalances. If you're feeling run down, irritable, or have unexplained aches and pains, it could be a sign that your body is begging for vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for many functions in the body, including bone health, immune function, and cell growth. A lack of vitamin D can lead to hormone imbalances, which can cause a whole host of symptoms. If you think you might be deficient in vitamin D, talk to your doctor. They can order a blood test to check your levels and recommend the best course of treatment. You gain weight easily. If you find that you are gaining weight easily, despite not changing your diet or exercise routine, it could be a sign that your body is lacking in vitamin D. Vitamin D helps to regulate the metabolism and can also help to reduce inflammation, both of which can contribute to weight gain. Your bones ache. There are many different signs that your body may be begging for vitamin D, but one of the most common is bone pain. If you find yourself regularly experiencing achy bones, it could be a sign that you need to up your vitamin D intake. This is because vitamin D is essential for keeping bones healthy and strong. If you don't have enough vitamin D in your system, your bones can become weak and fragile, which can lead to pain. How to get more vitamin D in your diet? Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus. It also helps to maintain a healthy immune system and bone density. While our bodies can produce vitamin D, we can also get it from certain foods and supplements. Here are some tips on how to get more vitamin D in your diet. Spend time outside in the sunshine. Our bodies produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to the sun's ultraviolet rays. Just 10 minutes, 15 minutes of sun exposure a day should be enough to produce the vitamin D our bodies need. Eat foods that are rich in vitamin D. Some foods, such as fatty fish like salmon and tuna, are naturally high in vitamin D. You can also find foods that have been fortified with vitamin D, such as milk, yogurt, and cereal. Take a supplement. If you don't think you're getting enough vitamin D from food or sun exposure, talk to your doctor about taking a supplement. How much vitamin D you need? Your body needs vitamin D to function properly. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones and muscles, and it helps your body absorb calcium. Without enough vitamin D, you may develop soft bones or osteoporosis. You can get vitamin D from exposure to sunlight, food, and supplements. The amount of vitamin D you need depends on several factors, including your age, health, and exposure to sunlight. Most people need between 600 and 800 international units of vitamin D per day. However, some people may need more or less depending on their circumstances. If you don't get enough vitamin D from sunlight or food, you may need to take a supplement. Talk to your doctor about how much vitamin D you should take and what form would be best for you. I hope you found this video helpful, growers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.